Hey guys, welcome. Steve Budzik, Tim Wangler with iCandy Realty. We're in Homer Glen at this spacious, spotless, and move-in ready 2-bed, 2-bath condo.
That's right, Steve. This specific unit, the Alden model, is about 1,500 square feet. This unit had $25,000 worth of upgrades put in. We've got maple cabinets, beveled edge on the granite, bricked floor-to-ceiling fireplace, gas. We've got a precast ceiling. You won't hear a thing in these units. It's absolutely gorgeous. Built 6 years ago. Nothing for you to do but move in. All right, guys, that's a wrap. I hope you love the beautiful condo. If you have any questions or you want a private tour, contact us and we'd be happy to show you.